Hello children, how are you? Hope all of you are very good and doing well in your studies. Myself Divya Sahu, and today I am going to continue our previous lesson, that is the earth. Till now in this chapter we have studied about the structure of the earth. Earth consists of three layers: outermost crust, middle mantle, and the innermost and third layer is core. Then we have studied about shape of the earth. Children, shape of the earth is round. It's like a round ball. But children, earth is not perfectly round in shape. It is flattened at poles and bulged at equator. Actually, it is oblate spheroid shape. But in third class, you can simply say that earth is round in shape and it is flattened at the poles and it is bulged at equator. Okay. After that shape of the earth, we have discussed about movements of the earth. Earth shows two types of movements. First one was rotation. Now you know what is rotation. The spinning movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. Axis is the imaginary line which passes through the center of the earth from North Pole to South Pole. And this rotation, children, it causes day and night. All of us know that day and night occurs alternately in 24-hour duration. Okay? That means to complete one rotation, earth takes 24 hours. And how do we feel day and night due to the rotation? Children, during rotation of the earth, the part of the earth that faces the sun, it represents day. And the part of the earth that is away from the sun, it represents night. Okay? Now let's come to second movement of the earth. Before telling you about the second movement of the earth, I want to ask you a few questions, children. Which season is going on these days? Yes, summer is going on these days. After that, what will come? Autumn season will come after that. And then winter season. After that, spring will come. Okay? In summer season, you feel so hot. In winter season, we feel cool. So children, how these seasons come again and again? Again summer will come, again autumn will come, then winter, then spring, then again they will be coming in alternate manner. What is reason behind that? So children, reason behind these seasons is second movement of the earth, and that second movement of the earth is called revolution. What is that? Revolution. As all of you know about solar system, in solar system many planets, they move around the sun. Okay? So children, our earth also moves around the sun. Like I am showing you here one ball. Suppose this is representing sun and this is representing earth. So children, what is revolution? Revolution is like if earth is moving around the sun like this. This is showing what? This is showing revolution. So as you are seeing that how earth is revoluting around the sun. The movement of earth around the sun is called revolution. And one more thing, children, you are seeing that this earth is moving around the sun in a fixed path. Okay, this is an imaginary path. So children, earth moves around the sun in an imaginary fixed path, and that path is called orbit. Okay, so the path around the sun in which earth is moving is called orbit, and this movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. Okay children, now I will write the definition. Just it will make you clear what is orbit. Orbit is the fixed path around the sun. Path around the sun in which earth moves. Okay children, and what is revolution? Revolution is the movement. You are seeing here, this is path and this is movement. Movement of the earth around the sun. In a fixed path. Okay children, so that is about orbit and revolution. I will explain you with the help of a diagram. You can see diagram showing revolution of the earth. What is present in the center? This is sun. This is representing sun. And this is what? This is earth. So children, earth is moving around the sun in a fixed path. This imaginary fixed path is called orbit. What it is called? Orbit. And that movement of the earth around the sun is known as revolution. This movement we will call revolution. So children, I hope now it is clear to you what is orbit and what is revolution. I want to give you extra information here children, that orbit it is not a circular path. It is an elliptical path. Okay, that you will study in higher classes. Now children, let's come to how much time does earth takes to complete one revolution. As you remember that rotation takes 24 hours. Children, earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution around the sun. How much time earth takes? 365 days and 6 hours. As you know children, 365 days they make 1 year. So to complete one revolution around the sun, earth takes 1 year. And what about this 6 hours children? You know about leap year. Leap year comes every 4th year and it has 366 days. So why a leap year consists of 366 days? As I told you that leap year, it comes every 4th year. So children, you are seeing that in every year these 6 hours we don't count. But if you will count these hours for 4 consecutive years, for the 4 years which are coming one by one, okay, what will you find? You will find 6, 6, 6, 6. If you will add them, the answer will be 24. Okay, that means these 24 hours. This will make one day. And that one day we will count in leap year. That's why a leap year has 366 days instead of 365. And where this 366th day you count in a leap year? Yes, we count in February month. Generally in a year February has 28 days. But in leap year February month has 29 days because 366 days are considered in a leap year. So that extra one day in a leap year we will count it in February month. That's why in a February month we have 29 days. Children, this year 2020 is also a leap year. Now children, let's come to seasons. I have told you that revolution is the reason that's why we are having different seasons. But children, also I told you in rotation that earth is spinning on its axis, right? And what is the position of this axis? This axis is little bit tilted. Okay, that axis is little bit tilted. So children, actually reason for different kinds of seasons are this tilt and revolution both. So if I ask you, we have different seasons, what is the reason behind that? The reason is tilt of the axis of earth and revolution of the earth. Okay, that's why we have different seasons like summer, autumn, winter, spring. You can also say monsoon also. Okay, basically there are 4 main seasons that comes one after other. First one is like summer, after that autumn, then winter, then spring. Also you can add monsoon. So children, our today's topic revolution is completed here. Now children, after revolution, let's come to next topic for today. First tell me few answers. Where do you live? Yes, you live in your home. Do you take care of your home? Yes, all of you take care of your home. Do you keep it clean? Yes, you keep it clean. Now children, tell me on which planet you are living. You are living on the earth. So children, that means if we are living on the earth, it is our home. Earth is like our home. So children, do we take care of earth? Do we keep our earth clean? Here I want to tell you children that earth is the only planet which has life. You know this already. Earth is the only planet which has water. So children, earth is sustaining life. It is providing life. Why life is possible on earth only? Because it has proper amount of air. It has oxygen. It has water. And it has proper amount of sunlight. So these appropriate amount of water, air, sunlight, this makes our earth to sustain life. That's why life is existing on the earth. So children, it is our duty to make our earth safe. But children, do you know that our earth is getting damaged day by day? It is being degraded day by day. Degrade meaning it is getting damaged. Its quality is getting decreased day by day. Why? Children, the reason of damage of earth day by day is we only, human beings only. Children, the cause is human activities. Humans, children, they do many harmful activities which are not good for our earth. Like what are they? See, you see many things around you. Okay? You have also studied about uses of plants. So children, for our needs, human beings, we cut trees. So cutting of trees is very harmful for our earth. All of you know that plants, they clean air, they give us oxygen. So by cutting trees, we are making our air dirty. Right? Also, human beings, they use so much vehicles. In the morning time, while going to school, you see so many vehicles on the road. Right? So, these vehicles, they use diesel, petrol. And when these diesel and petrol, they burn, they form smoke. So, children, the smoke released from these diesel, petrol, it also reduces the quality of our air. It makes air unclean. Okay, children? Now the next harmful activities by human beings, like there are many industries, children. So from these industries, many waste products arise. Many waste products are produced by these industries and they are going to river. Also smoke from these industries, it goes into the air. So again this is making air unclean, dirty. The waste products are making river dirty. So children, these are different causes of damaging of earth. First one is cutting of trees. Second one is smoke from vehicles. Third one is industrial or household waste. And the next one is chemicals or plastic use. Now children, what are the effects of these harmful activities done by humans to our earth? Children, the first effect is that temperature of the earth is increasing day by day. In summer season, sometimes you feel so much hot. Okay? Why? This is why. Because due to these human activities, temperature of the earth is getting increased day by day. That is called global warming. And children, second effect is like glaciers are melting. Due to increase in temperature, you know that glaciers are made up of ice. So this increase in temperature, this is melting the ice present on the glaciers. Polar caps are melting. What will be the effect of melting glaciers and polar caps? Children, this melting will cause increase in sea level. So the cities which are located near sea, they will be drowned under the sea water. Okay children? Now children, because of damage of earth, there may be many other problems like tsunami. When a huge wave of sea water comes, it destroys people living around the sea. So children, these tsunami chances are increasing because of these harmful activities. Also floods, drought, they also come frequently because of disturbance in the earth. During flood, the dry land it is covered by water. During drought, there is less rain. So area become dry, no food, no water, and people suffer a lot. So here you can see I have written what are the main effects: increase in global warming, then melting of glaciers, then tsunami, then flood and drought. So why all these harmful things are occurring? Harmful events are occurring because of human activities only. So children, because of these all problems, earth is not supporting healthy life. It is not possible to live a healthy life on the earth. And the reason is only human beings, we only. Because we are not taking care of our earth. So children, it is our duty to save earth. Many plant species, many animal species, they already destroyed. They are vanished. They are extinct. Extinct means they are not present now. They are destroyed. So as you are seeing this harmful effect on the earth, it is causing harm to many plant species, many animal species. Already they are destroyed. They became extinct. So children, if we will not take care of our earth, we will also be not safe in the future. So it is our responsibility to save the earth. By following few measures, we can save earth. Like human beings, they can plant more trees. They should not cut trees. They should use less vehicles. There should be control on industrial waste. Okay, so by following few measures, we can save our earth. Don't use much plastic. Don't waste things. Save water, save electricity. Okay children, so please understand that earth is very important for us. It is our duty to save it. So children, that was all about our today's topic for revolution and for saving the earth. Hope you have understood all the points and all the things are clear to you. In our next session, we will study next chapter. Till then children, have a nice day and keep studying and keep smiling. Thank you.